Firefighters in Montgomery County are hoping to prevent another tragedy like this one here. You might recall 3 children, siblings, died when a fire broke out at their home in Tamina. So firefighters want to make sure every house in that very neighborhood has a working smoke detector. Marcelino Benito's in the newsroom, and this sounds like a call to action. Marcelino?
It is, Len. This fire really hit the entire Tamina community hard, but especially the firefighters who responded that night. Today, one of them told me they had to do something to make sure this never happens again. Weeks since the fire that claimed the life of 3 little children.
The loss of these babies has destroyed, a family, and it's devastated a community and its first responders.
The thought of that night still chokes up the strongest firefighters.
We feel the pain. Everybody is hurting after this fire.
So today, firefighters turning a community's pain into purpose, announcing a new initiative that they believe will save lives.
And we're going to go door to door throughout the community with a goal of placing a working smoke detector in every bedroom and every hallway that connects to a bedroom in that whole area.
They won't stop until every home in Tamina has one.
This is an area where smoke detectors are a problem. We don't have enough.
There were no working smoke detectors when this deadly fire started. By the time the children realized what was happening, firefighters say there was no way out. The manufacturer has donated 750 smoke detectors so far. They use a special lithium battery that can last up to 10 years.
We can make a difference literally for the next decade.
Each one costs about $15 to $20. A small price to pay, say firefighters, for something that can make a life-saving difference.
For a donation of $100, you can equip 2 or 3 families' homes with smoke detectors and protect their lives.
There's no firm date for when firefighters will begin installing these smoke detectors, but they expect to begin in a few weeks. If you'd like to help, you can drop off your donation at Needham Fire and Rescue. We have that information on our website, khou.com. Len?
It is a great cause, Marcelino. Hopefully they'll get a lot of people to help the firefighters out. As for the investigation on the fire that killed those 3 children, do they know yet what caused the fire?
Well, when investigators tell me they know the fire started on the 2nd floor but still don't have a cause for the fire. They have, however, ruled out any type of foul play. They say it may be impossible to determine exact cause due to the extent of all that damage.
All right. Well, thank you for the update, Marcelino.